Here we have the beautiful Tishy, Wishy, Tissue, Pish Pish, Pishy, whatever you want to call him. His name is Tissue. He is my little baby boy. He is the most loving little boy. He just wants snuggles and kisses, and he loves to hear the song Angel Baby. So I wanted to do a video inspired by him because he's so pretty. He has the prettiest beige fur color, and then his eyes are a gorgeous blue color. Sometimes they show up red, which is really cool because he's Siamese. He's a flame point Siamese or a red point Siamese. We rescued him. The woman who gave him to the shelter said that he was outside her door trying to attack her. And honestly, I find that really hard to believe. Tissue has not a mean bone in his body. He just wants to play and be loved and give kiss kiss and hug hug. So that's what we do. So honestly, the reason I haven't talked through a lot of what I've been doing for makeup, it's all very similar to what I've done in the past. I did use a different Colourpop shadow on the lid with the NYX primer, the NYX Glitter Primer under it. I will put the shadow name below. It's really pretty. It's a glitter, a beige glitter, so I thought that would reflect excellently of Tishy's fur. And then I'm putting the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation on. I didn't want this to be super full coverage. Just wasn't something that I was feeling this time. I was thinking maybe I would be a little bit more natural. And I use that word very loosely. Now I'm just lightly applying some MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm not sure if it's still called Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. And then I did use the Colourpop Crush On You highlighter palette as well. But now I'm just using the butter bronzer. I did the white under my eyes like normal with the Shivering White Studio Fix powder. And then I'm using NYX, I believe it's called Baby Blue eyeliner. I will most definitely put the colors below. And then the shadow I used from NYX was called Poolside. And then I went in with Jeffree Star Deep Freeze to give it a shimmer and an intensity. I wanted that to be really noticeably blue. Then I go back to the middle of the forehead. I love a shiny forehead because it gives that impression of fresh Botox. I do have fresh Botox, but kind of covers it up when you have makeup on, so I just like to put that in the center. And then I use the Danessa Myricks Enlight powder, Enlight, and then I spot highlighted with ice. And then I use the Juvia's Place Saharan blush number 2 just to warm up the face again, because the highlighter that I use can give you an ashy look sometimes, kind of like a gray cast. Honestly, I'm fine with it though, whatever.
Northwest, pussy evergreen fresh. Got 'em all stressed cause I know I'm what's next. God damn, it feels good to be a bad bitch. Doing work, stacking lettuce on my sandwich. Eating like a savage, you don't even got bread. Doors open for a bitch, chivalry is not dead. Come through, every opportunity. Kill these motherfuckers and I'm reading out a eulogy. Quit the tomfoolery, I don't got the patience. No time for these stupid conversations. These dudes stay faking, so they ain't visible. Call 'em plain aching. Tell me why you're hating, tell me why you're tripping cause you're never on vacation. Tell me why my bars getting me a reservation. Tell me why I'm eating up these rappers even though I don't got a reservation. Can't get enough, listening to Shetty knowing I'm that stuff. And I'm that dude, and I'm that bitch. You can eat my pussy, you can drink my dick. Taking them pics, looking all fly and shit. You been on the Conan O'Brien shit. All talk, go ahead and talk. While these chickens all squat.
I did have a little bit of lipstick there smudged, as you could see. I used Rose Madder by Jeffree Star and then a Stila one. I can't remember the name, I'll put it below. And then I used the lip gloss by Fenty, the new one, Fussy. And then I put on some eyeliner, the Stila black eyeliner. I like it. It's good. I wanted a cat eye. Some Benefit They're Real mascara. And some lashes. Everything's pretty good. Good and done here. I don't think there's much else I did other than adjust my lashes and spray some setting spray. That's it.